Hello everyone, today has been windy and fairly warm, but we've got winter weather in the forecast here. Let's take a look at the wind gusts we've seen so far today, closing in on about 50 miles per hour in Cutbank, about 44 in Great Falls, 39 in Lewistown, so it's definitely been a windy day as we head through the night tonight. Those winds for the most part are going to be staying strong even into tomorrow morning. Expecting some pretty strong winds, and I do think we do have a cold front that's going to be headed our way tomorrow. I think even still as that passes, we are going to see some breezy winds with the passage of that front. And of course, that's going to be really dropping our temperatures quite a bit. We're actually pretty comfortable right now. It's been a while since we've seen nice temperatures in the 70s, 73 right now in Jordan, Lewistown at 64, 62 in Great Falls. Lots of cloud cover. That's pretty typical with these high wind setups. You get what's called the Chinook Arch there coming off the Rocky Mountains, and that's kept a lot of us a little bit more cloudy through the day today. But we'll zoom out. We'll look at that system that's headed our way. You can see that area of rain and snow on the back side. On the front side of that, that is rain. That's that cold front. That's going to be headed our way. So zooming back in, we are expecting some pretty significant winter impacts from that storm, or from that cold front rather. So a winter storm warning in effect, or set to go in effect for much of the area here, shaded in the dark purple. In the lighter purple, that's a winter storm watch. So pretty much everybody expecting at least some impacts from winter here. Let's take a look at our temperatures as we head through the night tonight. Midnight tomorrow, this is going to be the warmest part of the day for many of us, and many of us are going to be staying right around 50 degrees. We'll kind of hover around that area as we head into tomorrow morning, but that cold front is coming. You can see that stark contrast there between about Havre and Cutbank. That's that front starting to push in as we head into tomorrow afternoon. And by the time we get into the evening hours, so by the time we're at the 5:30 show tomorrow, we're probably going to be seeing below freezing temperatures for many of us, and the possibility for snow and temperatures just going to keep falling and falling and falling from there. That cold front's going to push well past, bringing some very cold air to our area. So it's going to be getting cold, and we've got some moisture headed our way too, so that means it's going to be getting somewhat snowy. Through the night tonight, already seeing potentially a little bit of snow along the Rocky Mountain front there, and into tomorrow morning as well. Along the divide by the time we get to noon, and the extreme northwest parts of our area are already seeing that change over to snow. Most of us are just seeing kind of that leading edge of rain as that cold front starts to push through. Pretty good rain showers by about 3 p.m., but as we head into the evening, we're going to see that change over very quickly. It's not going to be like our last snow event where we had quite a bit of rain. That rain is going to turn over to snow very, very rapidly. And you can see by 6 p.m. we're already dealing with snow. We'll continue to deal with snow, at least off and on, all the way into the day on Wednesday, or at least early into the day on Wednesday, and then things will clear up as we head through the day on Wednesday. So how much snow are we looking at? Well, these events are always a little tricky to forecast with the cold fronts moving through, but in general we are pretty confident we're going to be seeing some very high snow totals in some of the higher peaks of the little belts of over a foot. Generally, when you're closer to the higher terrain, the better chance you're going to have of picking up some heavier snow accumulations. So say places like Belt and Nyhart are going to see much higher snow totals than places like Great Falls. Same thing with Helena. As you get out of town, you're going to be, and into the higher elevations, you're going to be seeing higher snow totals. But here's what I'm currently thinking, going about 1 to 3 for Great Falls, and Cutbank 6 to 12. Some significant snow there in Lewistown, and about 2 to 4 inches for our snow in Helena. So kind of a tough system to predict, not our highest confidence forecast, but if we have any changes through the night tonight or into the day tomorrow, we'll bring those to you, but definitely be prepared for some winter weather. Thanks for watching.